Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I know you guys can't see me, but I decided to jump on and do a unboxing for you guys today. I picked up a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Mid SCs, and I decided to just jump on and share with you guys what I got. So I got the Jordan 1 Mid SCs. I think I've been liking those better than like the Dunks and then the regular Jordan Retros. But this is the box it came in. So here's the box. Dope. Just black simple box. And then as you can see, I got the Air Jordan 1 Mid SEs. And I got them in the night maroon / total orange color. Y'all, I thought these were super dope, super unique. Straight off the Nike site. And y'all, I got a deal on these as well. Y'all already know. If it's a deal and I like them, I'm going to get them. So these are the Jordans. So without further ado, let me share with you guys what I got. So we just going to open up the backs. So, yeah, boop, boop, boop. These are the Jordans that I got. Super dope. I love this, like, maroon, purplish color, like a dark red, purplish color. It has the plaid, and then it has the orange check, and then another, like, red plaid, and then another plaid. Super dope. Look at the tongue. It has the orange, and then it comes with the orange laces. So y'all, these are super dope, super cute. I want to do a lookbook for these as well, kind of style up some outfits. So y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see some outfits with these. But these are the Jordan 1 Mid SE maroon with the total orange. And again, I got these in the youth sizes. I'm typically like a 6.5, 7 in women, and I decided to go ahead and just get a size 5.5. So these are the sneakers. Super dope. And again, this is the other sneaker. Super dope. Yo, I love this color wave. This is super dope, super cute. Cannot wait to style some outfits. So these are the sneakers, straight off the Nike site. I think I got these well under $100. I think they were on sale for like $80. Super dope. Definitely could not pass these off. So let's do a little try on for you guys today. All right, y'all, we are back with a little try on of the Jordan Mid SEs, maroon and orange plaids. So guys, how do you like the sneakers? Super dope color combo. The orange definitely makes it pop. They are definitely comfortable. So y'all let me know what you think down below.